Ever used Notion to plan your life, track habits, or stay organized? What if you could turn your Notion layouts into digital products that generate income while you sleep? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're diving deep into the world of Notion template creation and sales. I'll show you exactly how to create and sell Notion templates, even if you're brand new to the app, have zero design experience, or have never sold a digital product before. By the end of this episode, you'll have a complete roadmap to launch your first template and start building passive income streams. Why Notion templates are hot right now. Let's talk about why this opportunity is so powerful right now. Notion has exploded in popularity over the past few years, with over 35 million users worldwide. It's become the go-to productivity tool for students, freelancers, entrepreneurs, and corporate teams alike. But here's the key insight. While people love Notion's flexibility, that same flexibility can be overwhelming. Setting up a functional system from scratch takes hours, sometimes days. This is where you come in. The best part? Many users are actively searching for pre-built templates to save time, and they're willing to pay for quality solutions. Template creators on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are earning anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month, some even more. What types of templates to sell? Now let's explore what actually sells. Here are the proven template categories that consistently generate sales: productivity and planning, business and freelancing, finance and budgeting, education and learning, personal development, creative and content. Tools you'll need. Let's break down your complete template creator toolkit. The beauty of this business model is that you can start with mostly free tools. Core creation tools, 1. Notion Free Plan Works. This is where you'll design and build your actual templates. 2. Canva Free Plus Pro. Create stunning promo images and product mockups. 3. ChatGPT Free or Plus. Write comprehensive instruction guides. 4. Gumroad Easiest Start. Automatic product delivery via email. 5. Etsy Larger Audience. Access to millions of shoppers actively searching. 6. Lemon Squeezy Growing Platform. Developer-friendly with great features. How to create a template step-by-step. Let me walk you through the exact process of creating your first sellable template. Step 1. Research and plan, 30 to 60 minutes. Step 2. Build your template in Notion, 2 to 4 hours. Step 3. Test and refine, 1 to 2 hours. Step 4. Create the shareable duplicate link. Step 5. Package your product, 2 to 3 hours. Step 6. Create marketing assets, 2 to 3 hours. Step 7. Write your product listing. Promote your templates. This is where most template creators fail. They build something great, but nobody finds it. Let's fix that with a multi-channel promotion strategy. Content marketing, organic, highest ROI. 1. TikTok and Instagram Reels, most powerful for templates. Create day in my life, videos showing your template in use. Post Notion setup tours and organization tips. Make before and after transformation videos. Share productivity hacks using your templates. Use trending audio with relevant content. Post 3 to 5 times per week for best results. Content ideas, how I plan my week in Notion in under 5 minutes. This Notion template changed my business. Watch me set up my entire life in Notion. Notion hacks you didn't know you needed. 2. YouTube, long-term SEO power. Create template tours and tutorials. Film how I use Notion videos. Make setup guides for your templates. Build a library of productivity content. Videos continue generating views and sales for years. 3. Pinterest, underrated traffic source. Pinterest users actively search for templates and planning solutions. Create vertical pins, 1,000 by 1,500 pixels, showcasing your templates. Pin to relevant boards, productivity, organization, and planning. Use keyword-rich descriptions. Pinterest drives consistent long-term traffic. 4. Blog content and SEO. Write best Notion templates for niche articles. Create ultimate guides to using Notion. Review other templates, including your own. Build backlinks through guest posting. Rank for long-tail keywords. Community marketing, 5. Reddit, be helpful, not salesy. Participate genuinely in r/Notion and niche subreddits. Answer questions and provide value first. Mention your templates naturally when relevant. Share free mini templates to build goodwill. Create detailed posts showing your systems. 6. Facebook groups. Join Notion communities and productivity groups. Provide helpful advice and tips. Share free resources occasionally. Build relationships before promoting. 7. Discord and Slack communities. Notion creator communities. Industry-specific professional groups. Share expertise and help others. Email marketing, highest conversion. 8. Build your email list. Create a free starter template as a lead magnet. Offer a template of the month newsletter. Share Notion tips and productivity advice. Announce new releases to subscribers first. Offer exclusive discounts to list members. Paid advertising, optional once you're profitable. 9. Pinterest ads, lower cost than Facebook or Instagram. High intent audience searching for solutions. Start with $5 to $10 per day budget. 10. Facebook or Instagram ads, retarget website visitors. Create lookalike audiences from buyers. Test with small budgets, $10 to $20 per day. Collaboration and partnerships, 11. Affiliate programs, offer 20 to 30% commission to affiliates. Recruit Notion YouTubers and bloggers. Provide promotional materials and copy. Use Gumroad's built-in affiliate system. 12. Bundle collaborations. Partner with other template creators. Create mega bundles for launches. Cross-promote to each other's audiences. Split revenue fairly. Launch strategy for maximum impact. Content batching for efficiency. Create 2 to 4 weeks of content in one sitting. Film 10 to 15 short videos at once. Design multiple Pinterest pins per template. Write several blog posts in advance. Schedule posts using Later, Buffer, or Planoly. Common mistakes to avoid. Learn from others' mistakes. 1. Overcomplicating templates. 2. Poor instructions. 3. Ignoring mobile experience. 4. Not building an email list. 5. Pricing too low initially. 6. Neglecting customer service. 7. Giving up too soon. Selling Notion templates is genuinely one of the most accessible ways to build passive income online. There's no inventory, no shipping, minimal overhead, and unlimited earning potential. You're providing real value, helping people save hours of setup time and organize their lives more effectively. That's a service worth paying for. Start with one great idea, build it with Notion and Canva, and list it on Gumroad or Etsy. Your first sale could come within days. If you found this episode valuable, subscribe to Internet Paydays so you never miss a money-making strategy. Hit that bell notification. Remember, every successful template creator started exactly where you are right now, with 0 sales and just an idea. The only difference between them and you is that they took action. Your first $100, then $1,000 in template sales is waiting. Go build something great. This is Internet Paydays, and I'll see you in the next episode where we're covering how to make money with digital printables. Until then, start building.